Hey, what's going on? It's your boy B with the beard, and the truth lives here. Hey, listen, today I want to talk about 5 ways you can quickly eliminate ingrown hairs and razor bumps. Now, for me, this had always been an issue. I would get it when I would, get a trim up, or even when the barber would go with a razor. I get the bumps here. I would get it under my neck, which was super painful, excruciating. I hated it. And so I want to talk about these 5 ways to quickly eliminate the pain of the razor bumps and the ingrown hairs. The first method is you want to start on a clean surface. You don't want to go to the barber shop, or even if you're doing it yourself, whether you're using clippers or a razor, you want to start on a clean surface, because if it's dirty and you got bad bacteria living on your skin, then once you shave, right, and that opens up your follicles in your hair, what do you think that bacteria is going? It's going into your follicle, thus creating inflammation. Step number 2, you want to make sure, and I've done a video on this, you want to make sure you want to do what we call a pre-shave. Fellas, due to the fact that our hair, right, our follicles rather, is asymmetrical. What does that mean? If this is your skin, your follicle is like this. So when the hair is growing out, it's almost literally growing close to this. It's growing literally close to the skin. So what happens? Then that hair curls right back into your skin. So you want to make sure you reduce the amount of irritation as much as possible. So with doing that, you want to do a pre-shave. I did a video before, and this is going to help soften your skin. This is by Frederick Benjamin. This is their pre-shave oil that you can use. I use it here above my beard line here, on my beard line on my right hand side, and under my neck. This is going to help soften your skin. Step number 3, we have the Frederick Benjamin Aloe shaving gel. This is called the Hydro Glide. And fellas, for some of us, we love that detailed look of that refined line on our beard line and underneath our beard. But with the Hydro Glaze, this is going to help perfect the details on our beard, our mustache, goatee. You can also use this if you have a bald head, or if you're just shaving in general. This is a really great natural protective barrier, and it gives you this cooling sensation that I just love that part. Step number 4 is the method in which you begin to shave with the grain. Guys, I don't have to say this, I know you guys probably already know this, but number 4, shave with the grain, not against the grain. Step number 5, after you've shaved, then you want to use Frederick Benjamin's Bump Clear. All right, you want to begin to apply this. This is a post-shave bump, razor bump, ingrown hair treatment. This is going to help defend against those razor bumps and ingrown hair on a daily basis. Now, you can apply this after you shave. All right, so this is called the Bump Clear by Frederick Benjamin, and this is their bump treatment. I've used it. I really enjoy it. I apply it on my beard line here on the top, left and right, and underneath my beard on my neckline. Voila, perfecto. All right, guys, I know I said 5, but I like to throw out a bonus every now and again. So here's a bonus. Make sure you exfoliate, okay? Make sure you exfoliate. Exfoliation is going to help get those hairs that typically try to curl right back into your skin. It gets it from underneath the skin. Do not pluck the hair out. Again, do not pluck the hair out of your follicle. You are doing more damage than good. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. All right, leave your comments, remarks at the bottom. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. This is your boy B with the beard. Make sure you guys go check out the Frederick Benjamin shaving kit. Again, if you are using a razor, the gel is great. If you're just using the clippers, the post-shave and the pre-shave will work perfectly for you. The links will be at the bottom. This is a great way to reward your beard, skin, and just at the end of the day, you know what I mean, just eliminate the pain and the annoying razor bumps and ingrown hairs. All right, this your boy B with the beard. As you already know, we out.